How to use Bitpanda. Here's how to use Bitpanda. Firstly, go to Bitpanda website or open the Bitpanda app. Sign up using your email and set a secure password. Verify your identity by uploading your ID and completing the KYC process. Enable two-factor authentication and set an anti-phishing code for added security. Deposit money via SEPA, a bank transfer, credit card, or use crypto. Tap trade on the app or platform to buy, sell, or swap assets. Select the asset like Bitcoin, Tesla stock, or gold you want to buy. Choose payment method and confirm the transaction. Check your portfolio to track performance of your assets. Set up savings plans for automated recurring investments. Withdraw funds to your bank or send crypto to an external wallet. Download tax reports or connect to a tool like BlockPit for tracking. Thanks for watching.